Good morning to you. This is Thursday morning, 25th November. This is Mike. My wife told me she wanted iced potato salad. She wanted spaghetti with ground beef in it. She wanted chicken dressing. And she wanted turnip greens. I am getting ready to get started with this. So you will see in a very few hours that I'm going to turn this into something beautiful and taste great. So I'll be back with you shortly. Do you see that? The beef is going to the oven. The chicken is going to the microwave because I got to get it done. And I got to get it done quick because I don't like working long and hard. Maybe hard and long, but you know. Now I'm going to wash the greens. This is a job that I do not like. Picking greens, but it's all in the program. Washing greens, picking greens. That's what you do. What you gotta do. Time to watch it real good, baby. Getting ready for the potato salad. Got my spaghetti done. My cornbread done. My chicken done for my dressing. Cornbread for my dressing. And this the potato salad. That thing right here is great. I know you got one artist come in on this one. Look over at my tongue screen, that's what they're doing. They're cooking, I just don't want it to cook out. I wonder. This should be enough right here. Going to dice them up. That's the way you do that. So now for the moment of my dressing coming out the oven. I did two. Because that is good, I'm gonna need one. So this is one. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. And this is a small one, right there. You see? Okay. But my wife, Sweet Angel, says she wanted today, and that's what she get today. Okay. Here she come now.
Snack time, snack. Snack time, snack. Snack time.
Alright, this is a plate of the finished process all day today that I was doing for the sweet angel, for my daughter Mary and myself. I'm getting ready to eat.
Hey y'all, we are at Starry Nights here in Memphis, Tennessee. So, my very first time
Hey guys,
hanging
I love
out.
your lipstick.
Thank you.
Did
Is
you?
it this right here?
Yes, ma'am. Did you have any add-ons?
I didn't.
All right, y'all enjoy. Just turn off your headlights when you get there, okay?
Okay. Perfect. Thank you. The next car is a Ford.
Here, guys.
This is it, Starry Nights, my very first time hanging out, y'all. I'll let you know how I enjoyed it. We're just now getting through the gate. That took about 40 minutes, y'all. 40 minutes. Wow. Anywho, we're off to see the wizard, or maybe Santa Claus. Oh, so you have to go all around there just to get back to where we started at. Pass back the other direction. Wow. Anywho.
Christmas time is pulling me closer to your heart.
I'm gonna jingle with you, baby. I wanna get to know you better. Hey. I'm gonna jingle, jingle, jingle with you now. How much fun it's gonna be together. What do I get? How much it means no. 'Cause I got my love to keep me warm. What do I get? How much it means no. 'Cause I got my love to keep me warm.
Well, I've put up the little pieces of fall decor I had, excluding the wreath on the door, which I'm going to do that in just a moment. And we're going to get ready to put this Christmas stuff up. Absolutely. And stay tuned. Well, my baby got up this morning and picked up the Christmas tree, y'all. I'm so excited. I was just about to take the netting off of it and get it set up. But I guess I can let y'all hang out with me when I decorate it, but it will not be today because I was very shocked that it is here today. So I will definitely do this probably tomorrow or no later than Tuesday. So I'll let y'all see it, okay? So let me get it all fluffed out here and I'll hit you back.